We're getting followed by someone.
Yeah, we're getting followed by someone now. So today,
How long's that?
me and Darren are gonna go and look for another abandoned place. Fingers crossed we can find it, because we don't actually know exactly where this one is, but we're gonna go to a forest, see if we can actually find the place, and then once again, as all these abandoned videos go, we're gonna be exploring it. So
It's an army base, by the way.
oh, is it?
Yeah, it's an army base.
Ooh, I like the sound. No, I didn't know.
Yeah,
I like the sound of that.
It was supposed to have been part of the where the military was, but one of my friends told me it was abandoned, so it's an army base type of thing. I don't know how big it is. I'm hoping that it's going to be a decent size.
Yeah.
It's like ruins, what's like one little approximately square or whatever. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, and then if we can find any used weapons, we can
We're
take over the world. Right then, guys, Darren's car is falling apart. That clicking noise, we have no idea what it is, but it is gonna collapse. And we're looking around the forest now, down the little road part, and then eventually,
big pothole.
as long as the car doesn't die, we will get there. Here's the abandoned place, guys. we found it. It's now a wall. That's about it.
That's really disappointing.
And we aren't actually joking. That is it.
It was massive. Imagine if it was still a thing.
It's been knocked down, so now there's a park bench in the replacement of it. Guys, so we've just been pulled over by a tractor that blocked us in because we couldn't get out. And basically they're saying something about suspicious activity, and they've had it here before.
We're getting followed by someone.
Yeah, we're getting followed by someone now, so...
I saw the truck over there, and now he's come down the same path as we. Oh no, there's another car here.
We're just trying to figure out where things are and what we're gonna film. So help, we're getting attacked. Okay, so we found a little something. Hopefully that car doesn't come and track us down now, but oh, this could be something then. Little underground bunker looking thing. Guys, it only looks small because it'll probably just be under this little mound, but it is somewhere to explore.
Oh.
I should probably turn on my phone light, shouldn't I?
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, I just touched the walls and it's slimy. Oh God. This looks like it could be some sort of Anderson shelter. Actually, it's only small, but it is something at least, so it's not just a waste of a video, really. Darren's just doing a intro outside. I'm going to walk through without stepping on too much stuff and getting my shoes dirty because I'm wearing white shoes. Probably a bad choice, but yeah. What the hell is that? Oh, is that bits of wood? I thought that was like a dead bird that I was walking on. Thank Christ. Damn. Noises. Leaves. So what is down here? Are you coming, babes?
Hey!
Hey, how are you doing?
I don't know what this is. What could this be? Like an underground pipe.
I just said, I think it could be an Anderson shelter.
An Anderson shelter?
Yeah. So, either that or it could be like a toilet block by the looks of this bit.
Could be, because what are all these like different types of walls maybe? Separate, like,
The inside here, this bit looks like an Anderson shelter, but this bit looks like a toilet block of some sort.
Maybe.
Because I'm guessing you'd have the wall bit, and then a floor, and then that would dip down into like bits of buckets or stuff.
Yeah, that's true. It's obviously to do that, like the toilets that we had.
Yeah. And there's the exit.
Is it all it is?
Yeah. Yeah, I thought it would only be this little mound part.
It's not really much, is it? Really?
Yeah.
It's just a shame that it wasn't. It's just a shame that what we saw over that area.
Yeah, it's been
isn't really
destroyed.
Demolished and stuff like that. But it's kind of maybe like this.
Oh, I've got a cold breeze now.
At least there's something in here what we can look at. Because when was the army and stuff like? It was like 1990 90s or something like that, or World War II could be like 1940 something or what.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's any like newspapers or all.
Keep looking, see if you can spot any.
I don't think they had.
I'm using this as a balancing beam.
I don't think they had Mackies back then, no.
Yes. 1920 Mackies. Good old McDonald's. It looks like that is pretty much it then. Guys, so because it's going to be a short video, Darren's going to do a little race course in his car. What? No idea what he said. Yeah. Yeah? 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 A bus? Don't get it. Yeah, he's going to just race his car around in a little circle just for an extra clip for the video. Yay, rally, amazing, content. Actually up here you don't really have a very good view. Amazing.
Alright, that was a practice.
Alright.
It's a bit bumpy there.
Yeah, looks it.
Whoa, wish me luck.
Yeah, good luck, don't crash. Nowhere. Oh, that sounded bad. That sounded like it just wrecked the underneath of your car. It's at this point that we'll be driving home and then the wheel will fall off. But yeah, we're gonna head back now, guys. Then guys, because Darren hasn't screwed up his car enough, what we're going to do now is he's going to take it from there over to there and accelerate it as hard as he can. If your car's brakes and we can't get back, I'm going to go on a scooter.
Listen.
What?
Why does it sound like I've got no exhaust?
No idea.
I don't know if I don't know if the exhaust is falling. But even if the exhaust is like got fallen, that sounds so much better than what it did before. What? I don't know.
The funny thing is, guys, Darren's just picked his car up from getting fixed and he's doing this in it. Right then guys, he's ready to go. He's behind that tree and he's gonna try and floor it basically, and hopefully we can get home after this. No consequences. Sure the car works, are you, Darren?
Like nothing there looks really bad. It's just engine making a really loud noise. Like it must have rattled something in there.
Yeah, it made a big bang.
Big bang. The exhaust has come off.
We couldn't tell, but we had suspicion of the exhaust, and long behold, it's come off.
How would you be able to do that from like?
No idea.
Like if you want to have a closer view up here. Put your light on.
Oh, I should probably do.
Now I found out what the.
Doesn't look too good.
It's supposed to be up there.
That's why I couldn't hear it at the back, but I could hear the engine.
Fuck's sake.
Oh god.
No. I like just recently got my car back.
You've literally just picked it up today.
And now another problem.
Oh god.
You're a
we've come back, cleaned the cars. Darren is cleaning his. I am cleaning off mine again, or have cleaned off mine. As you can see, soap suds everywhere, and the bay's nice and shiny again. Love it like that. Alright.
Whoever told George to go hang himself, you are one sad little human being. Like, if you've got nothing better to do, then go on someone's video, comment something like that. Like, how do you not know that George is suffering through, I don't know, depression? How do you know he hasn't lost a loved one or a family member? Like, you have no respect for any human beings. So people like you are actually scum. So at the end of the day, why watch George's video and all you're going to do is hate? Like, just stop. No need. Just don't click on his videos if you don't like him. Simple as. Simple as.
So, basically, yeah, I'm sorry that I'm being very successful in actually doing something with my life. So then guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. There's my sexy car, there's Darren's now broken car, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Smack my bell for notifications if you want to see me sexy face again, and if you want to subscribe to anything horror, then go subscribe to him because he's also a sexy man and a sexy beast, and yeah, I'm going to have his babies. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. I've already said it all. Phoenix salute. Out.